Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP did not break to the upside and did not follow through on this wave 3 yet, which is not necessarily a problem. The count has not been invalidated. And to be honest, the overall wave count here of this wave 2 will not be invalidated really until we break below the low of the wave 1, which is here at 36.2 cents. However, normally, I would not allow a wave 2 to go down that much. It's just not likely that it then still holds, but it would be certainly not unlikely for this wave 2, yeah, if it's not finished yet, which to be honest, at the moment, I don't think it's finished yet. It would not be unusual for it to reach the 37.88 cent level, which is the 61.8 FIB retracement, or even the 37.17 cent, which is the 78.6 FIB level. At the moment, I'd rather think we are going to make one more new low here. We don't need to, yeah, but at the moment, the way this unfolds, it seems likely. It seems like we made a little bit of a small triangle here in this wave 2. So let's take a look at that, yeah. You can actually see that nicely. You have a descending trend line. I did highlight that already to you in the previous video, and I highlighted when we break out above this trend line, this would mark probably the beginning or the progress of the third wave. Now that never happened. So therefore, we have to assume that this was some kind of an Elliott wave triangle. By the way, I take the sub waves out. They always are a little bit confusing, you know, and they mess up the chart. So let's take them out when we don't need them anymore. But take a look at this. You see an Elliott wave triangle here, right? So what does that mean? A wave 2 can't be a triangle. No, that's true. Can't be. However, the B wave can be. So in a wave 2, we had possibly here an A wave. Well, actually, I would need to mark this as the A wave. And then here the triangle as the B wave. And then we are now coming down in C. At least this would be a count that I would find quite likely if we now break below the last swing low and below this trend line here, yeah, and follow through to the downside to those 2 FIB levels that I highlighted to you. By the way, I'm going to put them onto the chart again. Gonna put them on here, and then this is the 37.8 cent level and then 37.1 basically. You know, these are the 2 levels. If it drops below the 78.6 FIB here at 37.1 cents, then I think this whole pattern is breaking down and we're going to make a new low. But these are the 2 levels that now need to hold. If you are wondering or confused about the sub wave count, I think we have a chance to label the, and by the way, it would be possible for Bitcoin, Ethereum to label them in a similar way. However, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the thing is, if they make a new low, then they have a problem, right? And they're probably not going to hold support. But yeah, in terms of the substructure, we can label this here, for example, as the A wave of the triangle, then the B wave, it's so-called running triangle, then the C wave, here the D wave and the E wave. It's a possibility to label it like that. We'll see. Becomes really only confirmed if we break below the B wave low here at 38 cents. Until then, it's of course possible to still rally higher directly. Then it would be something different, maybe a 1-2-1-2 setup, but then it would really need to turn around now. And if it breaks above the 39.84 cent level, then I think we're already in the third wave. So that's sort of how I would try to make sense of this. This is a triangle, yes, big or significant risk here to drop to the downside, but then probably not much to find support in this region, then turn around, or alternatively, if it turns around now and breaks above that wave E high, there's a good chance it rallies already in the third wave. What would be the target for the third wave based on the last lows? That might change a little bit, but based on the last lows, it would need to reach 44.9 cents. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.